back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you a review of this new facial steamer from Vanity Planet. It's also a giveaway to one lucky subscriber, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. So I actually have had this about a month already, but I wanted to kind of try it out and see if I really liked it, to see the benefits of it, and I can honestly say it's become my new obsession. It really has made an improvement in my skin and even sinus problems. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set it up and to use it. Basically, it's really lightweight, and I love the sleek design and of course the rose gold. They give you 3 essential oil baskets. If you want to use them, you don't have to. I did try it with a little bit of lavender. All you'll do, there's a little piece of foam at the bottom, if you could see it. All you'll do is you'll put your essential oil, like 2 to 3 drops in there, and then you just pop it right on the nozzle, and that's it. So basically, all you will need to do is fill up the water compartment, and it's recommended to use distilled water because it can clog the system if you don't. So you just unscrew it, and you'll see 2 lines. One is minimum line and one is a maximum line. The maximum line, it runs about 15 minutes and the minimum maybe about 10. So you'll just fill it up with the distilled water to whatever desired amount you want. Then you screw it back on, and then you just go ahead and pop it right back in, and it'll click, so you know that it's ready to go. I don't have it plugged in, but the plug is probably about 6 feet. Once you plug it in, here's the power button. A blue light will illuminate and let you know that it is going to start heating up and it's almost ready to be used. It also comes with 4 suction cups. That just helps wherever you put it so that it's steady and it doesn't like slide all over the place. And the nozzle, you can adjust it up or down according to like where you're sitting or how you want the steam to be on your face, which is also nice. So you'll go ahead, it'll take about 2 minutes for the steam to start coming out, and then it really comes out a lot. So it may take a little to get used to, but it didn't bother me at all. I actually like it a lot. So yeah, that's it. You will just sit, you can put it however the distance far from you, or you can put it a little closer. I don't recommend you to put it too close, but I do it probably about right there, and just relax. I'm really loving it, so I'm really excited to be giving away one to you guys, and it's just basically just to say thanks for always supporting me and my channel. I love giving away gifts, so this is actually my first giveaway of many more to come. So I am super excited. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you me actually doing a treatment so you can see how I do it, the instructions for the giveaway, and good luck to one lucky winner. So I'm just going to go ahead and set up my facial steamer, and then I'm going to do a treatment and show you guys how easy it is. And I just want to share with you guys just how important self-care is. I'm still learning and still working on this myself. Many of us busy or working moms, we have so many daily responsibilities that it's just so easy to neglect ourselves. So treating ourselves every once in a while is very important and much needed. And just as the saying goes, you cannot pour from an empty cup, and this is so true, friends. So after my facial steamer treatment was done, I went ahead and applied these eye patches, which have been helping a lot for my puffiness. And then I'm going to follow it up with this Versed serum. My daughter got me this set of 3 for Christmas. So it came with the serum, this ice roller, and this eye cream, which has been working really well. Now is the time, after you do your facial steaming, to apply whatever products that you're going to apply, because now your pores are open. So if you want to use the ice roller, now is the perfect time. It just feels so good after the steam to put this nice cooling
on your face. I usually use this every night. It's just so relaxing, and I keep it in the fridge. So whenever I want it, it's nice and cold. And now I'm just going to follow it up with my moisturizer. And I've been using this Clarins moisturizer, and it's really, really good. So I just have a little setup here in my room, and I got some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt and lavender, and I ordered this foot spa from Amazon, and I think it was like $45, but it's really nice because it has heat and a massage. And I just went ahead and made myself some tea, and now I'm gonna polish my nails. But I just want to let you know that it doesn't have to cost a lot to have a spa night at home. You can start by taking a hot bath, throw in a bath bomb or some essential oils to relax, put on a face mask, some soothing eye patches like I did, a foot or hand mask or peel, do some meditation or some yoga. There's so many different things that you could do, but I promise you, you will feel so much better. So I am loving this foot spa. My feet feel so good and my heels are so soft. And I just wanted to say that I am so excited to see who the winner is going to be of this giveaway. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I love meeting new friends, so come say hi in the comments. And I will see you all again soon in my next video.